An algorithm is a set of step-by-step instructions used to solve a problem or complete a task. It's like a recipe that tells you how to cook something or a map that shows you how to reach a destination. Computers rely on algorithms to efficiently solve problems and perform tasks. Here are some important categories of algorithms, along with their definitions and explanations. Sorting algorithms. These algorithms organize data in a particular order, such as ascending or descending. Sorting helps in arranging items like numbers, words, or objects to make it easier to search, analyze, or process them. Example: imagine the 7 dwarfs from Snow White sorting their gems after a long day in the mines. They put their gems in a line from the smallest to the biggest, making sure everything is neat and organized. Search algorithms. Search algorithms are used to find specific data within a collection. These algorithms help locate items from large datasets efficiently, like searching for a name in a contact list or a file in a computer system. Example: think of Scooby-Doo and Shaggy looking for Scooby snacks. They check one place at a time, searching room by room until they finally find the hidden snacks. Greedy algorithms. Greedy algorithms make the best choice at each step, hoping it leads to the optimal solution. Although this approach is fast, it doesn't always guarantee the most optimal solution for complex problems. Example: imagine Scrooge McDuck from DuckTales treasure hunting. He always grabs the biggest pile of gold coins he sees, thinking it's the best treasure, even if there's a better reward later. Recursive algorithms. A recursive algorithm solves a problem by breaking it into smaller subproblems of the same type and solving each recursively. This technique is useful for problems like calculating factorials or navigating hierarchical structures. Example: picture Mulan climbing a mountain during her training. She takes small steps, one at a time, repeating the process until she reaches the top, similar to how a recursive function calls itself. Backtracking algorithms. Backtracking algorithms explore multiple possible solutions by trying one path at a time. If a path fails, they backtrack to explore other options, ensuring all possibilities are considered. Example: think of Elsa from Frozen trying to build the perfect ice sculpture. If the sculpture cracks, she starts over, fixing her mistakes until she gets it right. Pathfinding algorithms. These algorithms determine the shortest or best path between points, often used in navigation systems. Examples include finding the fastest route on a map or optimizing delivery routes. Example: imagine Lightning McQueen from Cars trying to find the fastest route to the finish line. He calculates the quickest way to avoid traffic and obstacles so he can win the race. Algorithms are essential because they help computers solve problems systematically and efficiently. Just as characters in stories follow steps to achieve their goals, algorithms enable computers to accomplish tasks with precision.